Okay, just a quick report today. The broccoli is definitely bit it. Gonna remove that and see if I can get, maybe today, maybe tomorrow, one of these guys over here without disrupting the rest of them. I may just pluck it out as best I can. It'll remove most of the roots, but I don't want to disrupt the rest of these from growing yet. There are a couple of roots bursting the surface, as you can see. I just want to get a little bigger, a little more mature, and then I'll transfer everything. The rest of these guys are doing pretty good. This plant Mum brought home is caught back completely. Seems to be doing nicely. Broccoli seems to be picking up. The yellow is disappearing. The callaloo is getting bigger at an accelerated rate now. They've gotten past the hatchling stage. Sweet peppers are a bit floppy because of the sun, but they still seem to have a decent color. Not as deep green as this, for example, but you know, maybe that's the natural color. I'll have to look that up. This one over here has a little bit more of a green to it, especially in the earlier leaves. Okay, the scorching. We've got two more dots here. It does seem to still be happening. I can't tell if it's slowing down or speeding up though. These guys are, once they've scorched, they kind of just stay mostly the same. Oh, look, we've got some white flies under here. I wonder if that may have something to do with it. Anyway, interesting. They're starting to get in. Alright, have to look at spraying on some garlic mixture or something. Anyway, yeah. Oh, the root systems down in here look good. Let me see if the camera can pick that up. That one there's from the sweet pepper. It's getting nice and long. And cucumbers are down in here. These guys are like going all over the place. Looking really good, as you can see there. He is just having a good time with the roots. I don't understand why the top looks so bad when the roots are looking so incredible. Or maybe that's actually not a healthy looking root, I can't tell. This guy over here is doing pretty nice. There's one anomaly I would like to make note of down here on the lowest of leaves. Let me see if I can get a good shot. The stalk has turned white and the leaf is pretty much dried out, crinkly dead. I'm not sure if this is normal. I'm just gonna make note of that, look it up later. This one here is turning pale like the rest of the early leaves did, and I clipped them off. I'm going to clip this off, as they said to take off dead leaves and stuff. It helps the plants prioritize the better stuff. I'm seeing some weird discolorations here and stuff in these lower leaves as well. May also be normal, since the rest of the leaves going on up, as you can see, are all very nice looking, no blemishes really, except for the early ones we talked about. And the blooms are looking very good, flowering nicely all over. The vine finally came over, and I want to start it now, wrapping around and coming back down the entire spiral. We'll see how that goes. Oh, yes, most important. Running a nice interesting experiment here. I put carrot seeds in here, just a few. I'm going to pluck out all but the best looking one, maybe two. But the idea is this this almond milk carton I cut open, it's deep enough for an entire adult carrot to fit, I figure. Either that or it'll start to push up later when it gets longer. But the experiment is to see if a carrot could grow in here. The idea is generally in indoor gardening, as far as I know, you would grow things that push up above ground because I guess the space you'd normally need for underground stuff is more. I don't know. But it'll be fun to see what happens. Either way, I'll know for sure one way or another if it'll work. I think that's everything. These guys over here still not really doing much. They might pick back up. Neither here nor there. And what was this now? I cannot remember. I planted something. Oh, I think I put back lettuce in here. We're gonna have a little lettuce growing out of that. I'm gonna see if this flooded soil thing I'm trying out will work as well for the lettuce as it did for the cucumbers. Yep, that's it. More tomorrow.